good morning to all of you, my loving student. Welcome again in GK class with Ojashwini. And our today's topic is ology. What is ology? The Greek word ology means a branch of knowledge or science. Have a look at the following branches of science and the subjects they deal with. Number 1, psychology. What is psychology? So, the study of nature, functions, and phenomena of the human mind is psychology. The next one is entomology. And in entomology, what do we study? So, in entomology, we study about insects, or the study of insects is known as entomology. You can zoom and see some insects are there with their name, English name. So, when profit is there, you can learn all the names with correct spelling and improve your vocabulary. Is it? Now, the next one is ecology. And what is ecology? So, relation of plants and animals with one another and with their surroundings is ecology. The next one, anthropology. And the anthropology is a study of humankind, their customs, evolution of humans, etc. You can zoom the picture and see here in the left side above, evolution of man. So the next one is number 5, ichthyology. Ichthyology. And ichthyology is the study of fishes. Zoom the picture and you can see different type of fishes. And how many fishes are there? Okay, comment me in the comment box, and also comment me not today but later how many fishes names or insects name or any others name. What you see in these video classes, you learn all. Tell me, okay? I will wait. The next number is number 6, ornithology. And what is ornithology? Study of birds. So again you can see, zoom the picture, different type of birds with their name. So you can learn all the names. Now the next one is number 7, ethology. And ethology is the study of animal behavior, means animals how they behave with other animals. The next number is biology. Biology is the study of living things like plants and animals. You can see in this picture, zoom and have a look. Nature is there, plants is there, and animals also there. So the next number is geology. What is geology? Geology is a study of earth and its composition. As I remember, everybody know na how many layers are there in the earth. Okay, if you know, Here it is written only crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. If you know something else, so comment me in the comment box. The next one is meteorology, and meteorology is the study of weather and related phenomena. Zoom the picture and you can see different type of phenomena like forest fire, है ना, and you can see like a storm, flood, है ना, many more natural phenomena are there. Then the next one is neurology. What is neurology? Neurology is the study of nervous system. Look, zoom the picture and you can see clearly part of the brain in the first picture. In the second picture, sensory, motor, and association areas. And the right side you can see our body and the nervous system, spinal cord, left brain, right brain, and many more things. But you cannot read it because it cannot zoom more. But don't worry, this much is enough for you. So, number 12, and number 12 is dendrology. What is dendrology? Dendrology is the study of trees. You can see beautiful trees, है ना? The last and 30 number is archaeology. Archaeology is the study of ancient cultures and periods of history. In the right side of picture you can see ancient civilizations, and in the left side picture if you zoom you can see the history, periods of the history. Look how many ages are there. Maybe you study about these periods of history and ancient cultures in your SST. So guys, do you know that the name of all branches of science do not end with ology? For example, science dealing with the nature and properties of light is called optics, and other examples are like metallurgy, physics, chemistry, है ना? So please don't be confused that all branches of science are known as in the last suffix ology is used. It is not necessary that in all branches of science in the end name of the subjects end you can find the suffix ology. Okay, so guys, your homework, write branches of science and the subjects they deal with. How you will write? As it is written in your GK book in chapter 9, one side means all subjects are there and the other side study of which topic. So you have to write in the same way, but like the first number is psychology, so in front of psychology you write the correct answer, that nature, functions and phenomena of the human mind. So you will write as it is in your written in your book. I give example in the board, you can see like entomology, and in front of that you will write insects, or you can write I have less place so I write only insect, but you will write complete study of insects. Okay, so I hope that today you know something new and that is good for you. You can learn it or improve your vocabulary. So thank you guys, have a nice day.